Okay, I wanted to make this video today about removing the intake resonator on an 8th generation Honda Accord 2008 through 12, and I have the 2009 sedan. And I wanted to make this video because when I wanted to do this, I didn't find any videos on it, and I was reading in forums. driveaccord.net is my go-to. You can just, instead of removing the front bumper, you can just remove the wheel well, and that's exactly what I did because I didn't really want to take the front bumper off for obvious reasons. And but as you can see, I have a short ram intake from K&N. I did a little bit of cool tape work on it, and I have my little waterproof shield on the cone. But what you have to do here is, I have this bent back a little bit, but here it is, torn out. It's pretty filthy. We just had a beginning of winter snowstorm. And there were quite a few clips, more than I thought. I broke a few, which was inevitable, but I do have a whole bag of them here. But basically, this is what it's already out, but this is what it's going to look like when you're done. It was quite a pain, I'll tell you that. This right here is in the way, and you just have to wiggle it around and do what you can about it. I did have to take the screw out right here and take this out a little bit for some wiggle room to bend the bumper out. But there is the pipe led down from under the hood for the intake, and if you're wondering what all this is just regular automotive grease. I use it as rust proofing, and I'll tell you what, it really works. And it just creates debris, collects debris on the road and creates a sludge, but that's not what this video is about today, but just to clear that up. And what you have here, I have it sitting here, and this is basically what it's going to look like when it's behind the bumper there. You have two 10mm bolts. And as I said, this one was easy to get, but this one was the real pain. I had to shove my arm back in behind, and I had to use a 1/4-inch socket set because the wrench was, that small wrench was the only one that would fit back there. 3/8 wouldn't fit. And I did weigh it, and it weighs a cool 5 pounds. So that's about it for this, and I just thought I'd let you guys know a little bit about that and give you some information on it. So, hope you enjoyed.